I don't rush, I don't explain. I light it slow and feel the flame. The world can spin, it always does, but I've got stillness in my lungs. One breath in, I close my eyes. Let go of fear, let go of lies. The noise fades out, the pulse grows low, and something quiet starts to grow. I'm not my thoughts, I'm not my past, I'm not the weight I hold so fast. I'm just a moment breathing in and letting go of where I've been. No judgment here, no race to win, no voice to tell me where I've sinned. The leaf just burns, the bass just rolls, and I unfold in smoky folds. I find myself between the notes in how the echo slowly floats, not rising up, not sinking down, just finally far from any crown. Inhale, exhale, disappear, leave behind what brought me here. I don't need to talk or fight, this silence holds me through the night. Let the fire take my name, let the smoke erase the shame. I don't run, I don't steer. Inhale, exhale, disappear. I used to fear the empty space, but now it feels like warm embrace. The more I burn, the more I see how much of me was never me. Expectations, old regrets, rules that I don't need to get. All of it just melts away when I let stillness have its say. The rhythm moves in sacred loops, no start, no end, no need for proof. It just exists like me right now with no agenda to allow. I used to light up just to feel, but now I light to just be real. Not chasing high, not seeking low, just following the embers glow. Inhale, exhale, disappear, leave behind what brought me here. I don't need to talk or fight, this silence holds me through the night. Let the fire take my name, let the smoke erase the shame. I don't run, I don't steer. Inhale, exhale, disappear. I'm not searching for a sign, I'm just floating in the line between the breath and what is true, between the flame and breaking through. And if I vanish in the haze, know I did it wide awake. That this is not to fade or hide, it's to be still and feel alive. Exhale, disappear, leave behind what brought me here. I don't need to talk or fight, this silence holds me through the night. Let the fire take my name, let the smoke erase the shame. I don't run, I don't steer. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, disappear. I'm not gone, just not so near. The lights stay on, the noise don't stop, but somehow I found my silence in all this motion. Concrete on the feet still warm, sirens hum like a distant storm. I lighted up, the night goes still, the city runs, but I just chill. Neon signs and broken glass, echoes from the cars that pass, but in this haze I disappear. I don't belong, but I'm still here. These corners know my quiet face, I walked them slow, I felt their pace. They scream of speed, they beg for fame, but I don't buy into that game. I sit alone, I smoke my truth, not running back, not chasing you, just letting thoughts dissolve in flame and not explaining why I came. Let them scroll, let them shout, I found a peace they never doubt. Not in noise, not in screens, and smoke that whispers in between. The city don't sleep, but I do when the leaf burns slow and true. I ain't lost a step aside, found my rhythm, took my ride. Don't need crowds to validate, I let the bass reverberate. Every corner, every view feels more mine when I pass through. Feels more mine when I pass through. Get priced and sold, watch good hearts turn bitter cold. But still I walk, still I float, still I trust this fire I smoke. Don't need a reason, don't need fame, don't need a follower to name my power. Silent, deep and wide, it doesn't shout, it doesn't hide. They rush, they scroll, they scream for more, but I just breathe and close the door. Let them run toward the sun, I glow slow, I'm not undone. Some nights I question who I am, but never when I've got this gram. The flame don't light a leaf, don't fake, they hold me firm when I might break. So I just burn and take it slow. The city blurs, but I still know this life ain't fast. It ain't a race, it's one deep breath in a crowded place. The city don't sleep, but I do when the leaf burns slow and true. I ain't lost, just stepped aside, found my rhythm, took my ride. Don't need crowds to validate, I let the bass reverberate. Every corner, every view feels more mine when I pass through. Feels more mine when I pass through. Some rhythm low, some truth unbound. Maybe one day they'll see there's power in being free. Not from rules or from the law, but from needing their applause. The city don't sleep, but I do when the leaf burns slow and true. I ain't lost, just stepped aside, found my rhythm, took my ride. Don't need crowds to validate, I let the bass reverberate. Every corner, every view feels more mine when I pass through. Feels more mine when I pass through. Let them chase what fades by noon. I've got the night, I've got the tune. Some things ain't meant to stay, and some pain just needs a place to burn. Tonight, I give it smoke. I held on longer than I should to people's dreams, and if I could, thought I could fix what slipped away. But some things fade, and that's okay. I lit it slow like lightning grief. Watch memories curl in disbelief. Each drag a step away from weight, each breath a quiet twist of fate. I'm not angry, not even sad, just tired of needing what I had. The past don't knock, it lets itself in, but tonight I won't let it win. I close my eyes, the beat begins, and silence soaks beneath my skin. No answers left, no songs to cry, just smoke and space and time decide. I let it go, I let it burn. No need to beg, no need to learn. What's done is done, what's left is gone. The fire knows where I went wrong. I'm not here to write the past, just feel the smoke and breathe at last. Let it drift, let it fade, let it all be unafraid. I thought closure came with words, but some goodbyes I never heard. Some wounds don't bleed, they just remain like ink beneath a sheet of rain. But now I sit with no regret, not clean, not free, but not upset. I light another slow and still, not chasing highs, just breaking will. The room don't change, but I do slight. A softer soul, a dimmer light, not dark in pain, just less on fire, less need, less noise, less old desire. Some truths I'll never understand, but I don't need to hold their hand. I just release and let it be, and find a little more of me. I let it go, I let it burn. No need to beg, no need to learn. What's done is done, what's left is gone. The fire knows where I went wrong. I'm not here to write the past, just feel the smoke and breathe at last. Let it drift, let it fade, let it all be unafraid. Not every pain drift, let it fade. Let it all be unafraid. I let it go, I let it go, and somehow now I feel more whole.
I used to chase everything, now I just chase silence. I'm still here, but lighter.
I woke up tired of the noise, the constant war behind my voice. Tired of climbing just to fall, tired of trying to have it all. I roll it slow, I breathe it in, and let the stillness soak my skin. Didn't ask for signs or praise, just wanted peace inside the haze. No more pretending I'm okay, no more shrinking in the day. I'm not a brand, I'm not a role, I'm just a man regaining soul. The world can run, I'll stay right here, with bass and leaf and thoughts made clear. I used to fear what rest might mean, now I see stillness as routine. I don't need more to feel complete, don't need applause or to compete. I light this fire, I close my eyes, and let the silence brutalize. I've got nothing left to prove, no more masks I need to move. Let the smoke replace the weight, let the beat unlearn the hate. I'm not broken, I'm not new, I'm just softer seeing through. Let me burn, let me forgive, I'm just trying now to live. I've walked through rooms where I don't fit, played roles till none of them would stick. I faked a laugh, ignored the ache, just to give more than I take. But this moment needs no light, just breathe in rhythm, open sky. No fast success, no perfect plan, just one joint in who I am. I used to run from being still, thought quiet meant I lost the will. But now I see in slowing down, I found the parts I thought had drowned. The pressure fades, the lights grow dim, I sit and let the rhythm win. Let the loop repeat again, every drop a purge of pain. I've got nothing left to prove, no more masks I need to move. Let the smoke replace the weight, let the beat unlearn the hate. I'm not broken, I'm not new, I'm just softer seeing through. Let me burn, let me forgive, I'm just trying now to live. Some people find it in a prayer, some chase it miles from anywhere, but I just find it in the flame, where no one asks me for a name. Let it roll, let it rise, let the smoke redraw the skies. I don't escape, I just return to the space I always yearn. I've got nothing left to prove, no more masks I need to move. Let the smoke replace the weight, let the beat unlearn the hate. I'm not broken, I'm not new, I'm just softer seeing through. Let me burn, let me forgive, I'm just trying now to live. I've got nothing left to prove, and finally that feels like truth.